Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Press Win plus G to open the game bar and access its widgets quickly. The overlay floats over any full screen or windowed game and does not interrupt gameplay. Use the Performance widget to monitor CPU and GPU use while you play. Open Xbox Social to chat and invite friends without leaving your game. Click the Capture widget to prepare screenshots or recordings before you start. Pin widgets to keep overlays visible while you play or record for easier access. Start and stop captures with Win plus Alt plus R to record video of gameplay seamlessly. Take screenshots instantly using Win plus Alt plus PRT-SCN, and the system saves files automatically. Files appear in videos /captures in your user folder for quick access. If you prefer automatic clips, enable background recording in settings under Gaming then Captures. Background recording lets you save recent gameplay, and you can set clips up to 10 minutes long. Toggle microphone recording with the mic button or press Win plus Alt plus M during capture to include your voice. Use the audio widget to adjust mix levels and balance game, chat, and system sounds precisely. Click the gear icon to open settings and customize shortcuts, clip length, and quality preferences. After recording, open the gallery to trim clips, rename files, or delete unwanted footage. Use the Share button to upload clips to Xbox Live or to copy files for external posting and streaming services.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.